Marvin the Chipmunk.
Abby, are you enjoying it?
Yeah.
It doesn't matter because you're putting purple extensions in my hair.
What does it look like,
I'm wearing cowboy boots and fringes.
What else?
Rodeo skirt. You gonna do square dancing?
I thought you were going to.
I am, but if
Here's
we're
her
having
feet.
a party and we're square dancing.
Her pajamas. Her girlfriend.
Should we do that?
No, you're not
Marilyn?
your wedding dress.
This videotaping is not about you. It's about me. So stop smiling for the camera. Ow! Okay, I'm waiting for my hair to be done. I'm telling you, I have a flight to catch to get to Las Vegas.
All flights have been grounded due to snow. You got nowhere to go now. I just heard it over the radio.
Let me take a picture of that. If you ain't taking a picture of me, you're going to get it. Kelly, I just pulled her pants down.
And my Nana pulled my pants down.
It's going to happen again. Marilyn,
Look at her.
I'm waiting
She's
for my
so
hair.
selfish.
I'm waiting for my leader.